Welcome back, guys. Hey, just had lunch at Half Sauced Barbecue at the Lake of the Ozarks. I'll switch the camera around here. Back there. See it? Pretty good place to eat, I have to say. I'll put a picture of the food down in the video so you can see it. Had the brisket, pulled pork. Both was really good. Their cornbread was excellent, very unique. If you come here, definitely get some of the cornbread. Had fries, they were good, not homemade, not fresh cut or anything like that. So, but they were good. All in all, everything's real good. Did check out the men's room. I had to use the men's room. It was clean, everything worked. So that's good. They're parking on with a motorcycle. It is paved, older pavement. Not bad. There is some parking that's on the extreme hill, so be careful. So anyways, that's about it. We're gonna jump on the bike here and head back to the house. Later, guys.